Hello friends, today you will learn how to add a calendar in Google Sheet. It's very easy. If you don't know, then watch this video completely. First, open Google Sheet on your phone and click on the plus icon below. Click on New Esperance Sheet and from here choose the column and select it. And click on the three dots above. Click on data validation and click on list of items, all of this. Click on date is valid and then click on server at the top. Then again click on a column. And click on the calendar. Take any date from today. See, it's done. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.